up the grid, making the connection. Electronic Concepts NC, your tech perfection. Computer repair to home automation. We are the ultimate tech destination. 800-301-6241.
For decades, IT support has run on a simple, flawed premise. Wait for something to break, and then try to fix it. When a server crashes or a user suddenly can't print, work grinds to a halt. Employees are stuck waiting, and the help desk gets flooded with identical support tickets from everyone affected by the outage. It also creates a massive security blind spot. When you're managing a fleet of laptops and desktops manually, tracking exactly which devices are missing crucial security updates becomes an impossible guessing game. This timeline shows the vulnerability window of a manual patch cycle. From when a threat is identified, it can take up to 72 hours to get the patch applied to every machine, leaving the network exposed for 3 full days. Meanwhile, the technicians trying to close that window are forced to jump between 10 to 15 completely disconnected software tools just to diagnose and fix a single issue. Every extra minute spent hunting for login credentials or cross-referencing different dashboards inflates the cost of operations and keeps the end user locked out. The traditional IT model essentially forces businesses to pay for the privilege of waiting for a disaster to strike instead of actively preventing it. The modern solution to this problem is Remote Monitoring and Management, or RMM software. It's a proactive system deployed and managed by the experts at Electronic Concepts NC. Looking at this network map, you can see how RMM operates. A lightweight software agent is installed onto every desktop, laptop, and server. Once installed, these agents continuously monitor health metrics, like CPU usage, and instantly feed that data back to a centralized hub. This creates what IT professionals call a single pane of glass. Instead of juggling dozens of programs, tools like CrowdStrike antivirus, system backups, and ticketing systems are collapsed into one unified dashboard. Technicians no longer waste time hunting for information across multiple platforms. The exact status of every device is immediately visible on one screen. This level of consolidation means technicians stop toggling between dozens of screens and begin managing the entire network from a single live interface. But visibility is only the first step. The system also uses conditions and automations to independently execute fixes based on the data reported by those RMM agents. This logic tree shows how it handles an IT crisis. When a principler crashes, the agent registers the error condition, instantly branching into an automated action. It triggers a background resolution to restart the service, then automatically closes the ticket without human intervention. For the business, the crisis is completely averted in the background before an employee even experiences an interruption or picks up the phone to call for help. This same automation engine also tackles security through a process called autonomous patch management. Rather than relying on manual checks, the software continuously scans every device for missing Windows updates and third-party application patches, like the newest version of Google Chrome. Instead of hoping users remember to click Update, these patches are silently tested and deployed behind the scenes, ensuring the network's digital doors remain locked against new exploits. By identifying and resolving issues instantly, intelligent automation neutralizes hardware glitches and network vulnerabilities before anyone even realizes there was a problem. When a team stops manually cycling through 15 separate tools and lets automation handle the routine maintenance, the time cost of management drops. This data reflects how that shift can increase overall team efficiency by 50%. Electronic Concepts NC is the woman-owned local partner that brings this enterprise-grade efficiency directly to businesses across Yadkin, Surrey, and Forsyth counties. They operate exclusively as a mobile business, which eliminates the bloated overhead costs associated with a traditional brick-and-mortar location. By cutting out the expense of maintaining a physical storefront, they can deliver these high-end, highly competitive tech solutions directly to your residence or office. Their operational range covers everything from brand-new modern network deployments to supporting legacy computers with hardware dating back to 1992. With the right automated software and an expert mobile partner, businesses no longer have to wait for their technology to break. They are protected by an invisible, proactive shield that keeps operations running flawlessly.
Welcome to Electronic Concepts NC. your source for networking and electronics tutorials. Subscribe now and power up your knowledge.